VA loans, what you need to know before you purchase. A step-by-step guide coming right up. Step number 1, make sure that you locate your form DD-214. Either you have it or you can request it through the VA. That's va.gov. You can request your form DD-214. This is going to show what your eligibility is in terms of your discharge from the military. And this is in a form that's required to do a VA loan. Number 2, locate your certificate of eligibility. Either you have one or you can request one through your eBenefits at ebenefits.va.gov, or you can have your lender request it for you once you actually apply for a loan. Step number 3 is to contact me, Jeff, the Mortgage Pro, so that we can get a loan application filled out, ready to roll. We can collect all of your documentation that we're going to need based on the information that you put on that loan application, and we'll get you all set up and ready to roll from there in terms of getting pre-approved. Step number 4 is to submit that loan application. We're going to go through all of your income, assets, credit, liabilities, your DD-214, your certificate of eligibility. We're going to make sure that you are eligible for a VA loan. We're going to need things like your W-2s, your pay stubs, your bank statements, your proof of identity, like your driver's license, passport, things of that nature. And even sometimes, in some instances, depending on what type of a borrower you are, we might need your federal tax returns over the last couple of years. Step number 5 is to go through a mortgage planning meeting with me. What's a mortgage planning meeting? Well, we're going to go deeper than just what's on that loan application. We're going to ask things about how long you plan to stay on the home. We're going to ask things about what's your overall short-term and long-term financial goals. And what we're going to do is we're going to create a mortgage plan to help you fit that VA loan into your overall financial plan to help you build wealth with this mortgage over time. The last thing that we want to do is put you in a loan that you can't afford, that doesn't make any sense for you. We want to make sure that this loan is going to be something that's going to be used as a financial tool for you to help you build wealth. Number 6, after we do the mortgage plan, we're going to do a fully underwritten pre-approval. We call it a power bid here. That means we're going to submit everything on that loan application and all the documentation with it. And we're going to get an underwriter to give us a decision on whether or not we are able to give you a VA loan. This is going to put you in a really good position to negotiate on a price, because you can close much quicker with a fully underwritten pre-approval, because we've already determined that you're credit eligible for that loan. And the only thing we really need to look at once we get into contract is the property itself. And that'll be determined by an appraisal and a pest inspection in some instances. And step number 7 is for us to find a real estate agent for you. Now, most people don't know this, but most lenders have artificial intelligence, and we can actually see who is a high-producing real estate agent. We can see how many transactions they've done. In fact, we can find real estate agents who have actually done VA loans for you. I think it's super important in this market, in any market, that you actually use someone who knows exactly what they're talking about when they're doing a VA purchase transaction for you, because we want to represent you in the best way that we possibly can. And that is somebody that has experience on the mortgage side and somebody that has experience on the real estate side to help you get the house of your dreams. That's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. I look forward to chatting with you really soon. Have a good day.